Hi, I'm Pradita and I'm a corporate lawyer by profession. I think it's been great. Not only because it gives you perspective into how other people are, but also about yourself. And I think once you get into this, it gives you such clarity that I don't think so you can find anywhere else. Especially, I would like to mention Zane's expertise in this. So I think it's been going really great for me. I think human beings subconsciously pick up a lot of traits from other people, and having face reading just enhances that to a great extent. And professionally, me being a lawyer, I deal with a lot of people on daily basis. I need to persuade them in not in a strong arming kind of a way, but more of convincing them to do something that I would like them to do. And personally, of course, you tend to understand people better. You Before you make a judgment about someone, why certain person looks like the way they do, I think this gives you an upper hand also with understanding why they do what they are doing. So I think it's a great thing to learn. Face is part of your body. Face also represents your personality. It has nothing to do with how beautiful you are or how different you look from the other person, but it's everything. And what Nitesh has been doing is also to make clear how personality attributes also add to face reading. I think it's a great combination. It should be continued, I think. My accuracy, I would also like to add that I also use my instincts a lot, and I would say 95%, because I'm using all the techniques and not just the way a certain trait of a face looks like, but everything from body language to the voice to their when they're not doing something. I'm using all those things. For me, I think whenever you want to try something new, you should drop all the inhibitions that you have, something that you have learnt or something you have read before. Because if you come with an open mind, you might actually get the results that you're looking for, and you should drop the biases. And everyone should, at least if you're curious enough, you should try this out. There's no harm in learning new things. If it doesn't work for you, there's no judgment being passed on you, but if it works for you, that's an added advantage. So I think everyone should at least give it a shot once.